Hi, second grade. Welcome back to another Foundations lesson with Mrs. Jones. We are actually in our very last day of Unit 7. So we are in Unit 7, Week 3, Day 5. We're going to go ahead and review for our test tomorrow. Before we start, we're going to start with some drill sounds. I'll say it, then your turn. A consonant E, safe A. O consonant E, home O. E consonant E, Pete E. I consonant E, pine I. U consonant E, mule U. U consonant E, rule oo. Great job. So we are going to go ahead and talk about how we can enter these inside of our Google form. So there might be something on your test, strong hint there, that you will have to enter something with a long vowel sound with a VE spelling pattern. And I have here a Chromebook keyboard showing you you're going to have to push this button here. I'm going to show you how to do that with my on-screen keyboard if I wanted to go ahead and type some things in. At the end of this lesson in your Google form, you will have a chance to practice this skill. So I'm just going to quickly show you what that's going to look like. So I have my on-screen keyboard here, and this is the thing that I circled. So if I wanted to type a consonant E, I would type A. I would click this button. Oh, it's not showing you. Let's try that again. A, consonant, hit one too many, E. And I now have my VE spelling pattern. If I wanted to type E consonant E, I would click my E, type my button, and then E again. Okay. Same thing for I consonant E. I would click I, make sure I hit this button, E. Same thing for O. I would click my lowercase O, hit my hyphen, consonant, E. And my last one, U, consonant, E. So if you have any questions, you can ask an older sibling, or you can always come back to this video to help you remember which key it is that you need to press. So now for the fun part. We are going to play Jeopardy, and this is going to be a really fun review game that we get to play. If you have something to write on and something to write with, now would be the time to go ahead and grab that. I put my pencil and my paper over here in the side, just as a reminder for me. If you don't have anything to write with, that's fine. You can always just write on the table or on the carpet, or you can air write it. However, we can make this work. So pause this video, get what you need to do, and come on back ready to play the game. All right. Welcome back. We are going to go ahead and do lots of different types of reviews. So the first thing is you see that there are different categories here with different numbers, and there's only one here. These are all the skills that we are going to be practicing today to get ready for our test. So we have seeking suffixes, looking for those suffixes, spelling with suffixes, which means I will tell you a word with a suffix and it's going to be our job to write it. Reading trick words. I'll show you a trick word and see if you can read it. Spelling a trick word. And then our last one will be a sentence challenge. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and start with seeking suffixes. So, what word does this spell? Or I'm sorry, what word does this say? If you said lateness, you are correct. What suffix do you see in lateness? If you said ness, suffix N-E-S-S, you are correct. Nice work. Okay. Let's go ahead and try and read a trick word. You ready? What trick word is this? If you said something, nice work. Go ahead and kiss that brain. Okay, now on to the tricky stuff. We're gonna go ahead and spell with a suffix. So you notice there's nothing here because I'm gonna go ahead and tell you which one you need to spell. So our first spelling with suffixes word is lateness. Do you remember how to spell lateness? Think, what's the base word in lateness? Right, late. Let's go ahead and tap that out. L-A-T, late. Go ahead and spell that. And don't forget to add on that suffix ness. I'm gonna give you about 7 more seconds and then we'll see if your answer matches mine. Does yours match mine? If it does, nice work. If it doesn't, that's okay. Go ahead and fix it and just be ready for the next one. You'll get it next time. Okay, spelling trick words. Your first trick word to spell is something. It's what? Right, something. I'm going to give you about 15 seconds to go ahead and write it, and then we'll see if our answers match. 15 seconds to spell something. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G spells something. If you got that right, kiss that brain. If not, you'll get it next time. Okay, so we've got all of the ones except for our sentence challenge because we said that's going to be last. I think I'm gonna try and trick you now that your brain is warmed up with spelling. We're gonna go ahead and try and spell with suffixes first. So the suffix that, or the word that you're gonna be spelling is sticky. Go ahead and say that, sticky. Right, what suffix do you hear in sticky? You said you heard suffix Y, nice job. So let's think about how we would spell that base word. What is that base word again? Right, stick. So we're spelling stick plus suffix Y. I'm gonna give you about 10 seconds to go ahead and write that out, tap it what you need to. If you need more time, you can always pause this video and then check your work. 10 seconds to spell sticky. Go. Okay, let's see if your answer matches. S-T-I-C-K-Y. Don't get tricked by that CK because remember, suffix Y is there. We added on to the end to give it a different meaning. So our base word stick, that k sound at the end, means because it's a one syllable word that we put that CK there. Okay. Let's go ahead and try reading a trick word. Give your brain a little bit of a break. What trick word is this? If you said night, great job. This is like it's time to say good night, not like the knight with the shield. This is like the sleepy time, good night. Let's see if you can find the suffix in this word. Are you ready? Ooh, what word is this? If you said sticky, you are correct. What suffix does sticky have on it? If you said suffix y, you are correct. Nice work. And the last one, spelling a trick word. Do you remember how to spell night, just like we read? I'm going to give you about 10 seconds, and if you need more time, that's okay. Go ahead and pause this video and spell night. Go. And let's see if our answers match. N-I-G-H-T, night. You got that right? It's been a while since we've kissed our brain. Go ahead and kiss that beautiful brain of yours. If not, it's okay. You'll get the next one. Okay, so we've gotten all of our twos. We're moving into threes. Let's start with spelling a trick word. Are you ready? You are going to spell the trick word city. Like, we live in the city of Minneapolis. City. I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to go ahead and write it. And if you need more time, go ahead and pause this video. There's nothing wrong with that. 10 seconds to spell city. If you spelled city, C-I-T-Y, you are correct. Great work. Okay, let's see if you can find the suffix in this word. What word is this? If you said this word was crunch-y, you are correct. What's the base word in this word? That's right, crunch. So then that means the suffix is what? Great. Y, you are correct. Okay. We are going to read a trick word. Do you remember what this trick word says? If you said city, you are correct. Great work. And now I'm going to see if I can trick you. Can you spell the word crunchy? I'm going to give you about 15 seconds. If you need more time, you can always pause this video and see when your spelling matches when you're finished. 15 seconds, crunchy, go. Ready? If you spelled crunchy, C-R-U-N-C-H-Y, you are correct. Nice job. Moving in to our final round here into our fours, and then we see if we can do the ultimate challenge with our sentences. So let's go ahead and start with looking at words with a suffix. What word is this? If you said darkness, you're right. What's the base word? You said dark, you're correct. That means our suffix is what? Right, ness. Nice work. Okay, can you spell the trick word large? Like, can I please have a large French fry? Large. About 10 seconds to spell large. Go. Okay, let's see if our answers match. If you heard a little jingling, that was my cat playing with a toy and he got really excited. You might hear it again. All right, large. Large. You got that right? Kiss that brain. Nice work. Okay. Can you spell the word darkness? Darkness. Go ahead, 15 seconds. Darkness. Are you ready to see if our answers match? If not, go ahead and pause this video if you need more time. Darkness. Darkness spells darkness. Okay. Our last thing. Oh, I can't remember if I had you spell it or not. Well, that's okay. If you've already spelled it, we can spell it again. Let's go ahead and spell large. Can I please have that very large ice cream over there? 15 seconds to go ahead and spell it. All right, if you're not quite ready to find out the answer, that's okay. Just pause it and resume when you're ready. The way you spell large, Large. All right, sentence challenge time. Are you ready? Say, yes, I am. You can't trick me, Miss Jones. So our sentence challenge, I'll say it and then you say it. Will you carry something for me? Your turn. Will you carry something for me? I'm going to give you about 15 seconds to go ahead and write it. And if you still need more time, that's okay. Just pause this video. 15 seconds. Will you carry something for me? Go. Okay, our 15 seconds is up. Some of you may be ready, some of you may not. If you're not ready to see the final answer, go ahead and pause this video. That's okay, we all work at different speeds. Will you carry something for me? Final answer, here we go. Don't forget, you need capitals and the correct punctuation mark. So if right now you're saying, wait, Miss Jones, pause the video, make the changes you need to, and then find your final answer. Here we go. A capital W, will you carry, there's our trick word, something for me. I'm asking you a question, so it needs a question mark right here. Wonderful job today, second grade. Your job now is to go into your Google Forms, and there are some things for you to practice with our long vowels, our vowel consonant E's for you to do. And then there's also a quick part that just asks you, what was the trickiest part? And if you felt like two of them were tricky, you can click both. There's a spot for you to go ahead and check as many as you would like. You do have to check one. So if you said, Miss Jones, this was all easy for me. That's great. Still click the one that even gave you an eensy amount of trouble. All right. Bye for now, second grade. You're going to do amazing on your test tomorrow. Bye-bye.